everyone. Today I'm continuing on my Inspiring All Readers with Books from A to Z video series, where I am sharing with you a different story that begins with each letter of the alphabet. In each video, I share with you some different reading strategies or skills that correlate with the story and some discussion questions to ask your students after reading. I also have a free reading response journal and free printable graphic organizers that go along with each and every story that I share with you in my video series. For 26 days, one day for each letter of the alphabet, I will share with you different multicultural books and authors that I recommend. All books have similar themes, and each book promotes inclusion, diversity, empathy, compassion, and love. If you are following me along in my video series, welcome back. If you are new here, my name is Melissa Kazurski. I am a second grade teacher and I've been teaching for 18 years now. I help other teachers create a community of engaged and independent readers who love to read by providing meaningful and effective videos, resources, and support so that they are able to improve their own reading instruction, student performance, and engagement. With that being said, let's go ahead and continue on with our video series of Inspiring All Readers with Books from A to Z with letter B. B is for Binny's Diwali. And in the story, Binny shares her favorite holiday, which is Diwali, with her classmates. At first, she's nervous to share about this holiday with her classmates, but very quickly warms up and gets really excited to share with her students, to share with her classmates, that Diwali is the Festival of Lights. It's a Hindu holiday that lasts 5 days and celebrates the victory of goodness and hope. She teaches her classmates about the fireworks. She describes the sparklers that her dad lights in the yard, has her classmates help her put glitter on the colorful streamers. And then her favorite part of the day is when she shares with her classmates the colored powder that she takes out. And she sprinkles the colored powder onto the floor, writes a message, Happy Diwali to all, and then creates that beautiful, colorful flower with the powdered chalk. I love how at the end of the story, the author includes the 5 days of Diwali and then the Diwali story for background knowledge for the teacher. It is important to note that Diwali is celebrated and observed on November 4th. So you can certainly read this book at the beginning of the year, but then also go back to this story when it is the actual holiday and see if any students celebrate, and if so, it'd be wonderful and so awesome if they were able to share their experience during that holiday. When you are done reading the story, you can have students respond by writing what their favorite holiday to celebrate is. Students can then write why they love the holiday so much and draw a picture of what they do during that time, during that holiday to celebrate with their family and with their friends. You can then use the morning meeting time or a different time during the day where students can individually share out what their favorite holiday is as a way to get to know each other at that beginning of the year time. If you would like your copy of these free printable graphic organizers and the reading response journal, I will have a link in the description below where you can download these for free. In the meantime, be sure to hit like and subscribe so that you do not miss my upcoming books that I share in my video series. I will see you for the next video, which is for letter C.